What a fabulous year that just went by. 2024. One of the most amazing years where it was full of meeting people, my journeys, awards, accolades, and my own interior design work. But this year has been special because I met some incredible women in different fields. The entire year has been a journey of meeting and learning from them. They are leaders in business, champions for artisans, and trailblazers creating waves in their fields. Each one has shown that when women support, uplift, and empower each other, the possibilities are boundless. Join me as I celebrate their courage, their contributions, and the inspiration they have brought into my life. Because together, we are stronger. Let's dive right in. Usha Uthup's story is a powerful narrative of defying expectations, embracing individuality, and rewriting the rules of success. From a young age, she faced rejection for not fitting into the conventional mold of a singer, being told her voice was too loud, too unconventional. But Usha, with her unshakable belief in her own uniqueness, chose not to conform to societal expectations. Instead, she carved her own path, embracing the rich cultural heritage of India while making her voice heard on global stages. Her journey began with vibrant nightclubs of Chennai, where she captivated audiences with her soulful renditions. As she ventured into Bollywood and beyond, she brought with her not just an extraordinary voice, but a personality that was unapologetically her own. Draped in her signature Kanjivaram saris, adorned with big bindis and gajras, she became a symbol of empowerment, proving that true success lies in embracing one's roots and remaining authentic. Usha's rise to prominence was not just about her musical prowess, but about breaking down barriers, gender, cultural, and societal. With her infectious energy and passion, she became a beloved figure in the music industry, winning accolades and hearts alike, including the prestigious Padma Bhushan. Her journey stands as a reminder to women everywhere that there is no one path to success, and that embracing one's uniqueness is the true key to greatness. Usha Uthup is not just a legendary artist. She's a beacon of resilience, inspiring generations to find their own voice and take pride in who they are. Imagine being born into the Parle Agro family. Schauna Chauhan grew up witnessing the complexities of running a business, yet she was determined to carve her own path. Being one of the sisters and no brother, she broke the norms of family businesses run by men. It was her father who groomed her to take up the reins of the business, which she joined after completing her education in Switzerland at a very young age. Starting her career in an executive role, Schauna immersed herself in every aspect of business, from operations to marketing. Her journey wasn't without challenges. As a woman leading a major Indian company, she faced skepticism and barriers, but she navigated them with confidence and determination. Shauna's vision transformed Parle Agro into a globally recognized brand while maintaining a focus on sustainability and ethical practices. Beyond her professional achievements, Schauna empowers women in business, encouraging them to step into leadership roles and break societal norms. Her story is a powerful reminder that with dedication, courage, and a commitment to excellence, one can overcome any obstacle and create a lasting legacy. Going to London recently on an invite by Baroness Verma to attend the conference on breaking barriers to trade at the House of Lords in UK was an unforgettable experience. Meeting Baroness Verma was totally inspirational. Born in India and raised in the UK, her early career days were marked by a deep desire to serve and contribute to society. Her work in the non-profit sector and her advocacy for women's rights, diversity, and inclusion became the foundation of a remarkable career. Driven by a commitment to improving the lives of others, Baroness Verma entered politics, first serving as a member of the House of Lords in the UK. Her groundbreaking achievements and tireless efforts to champion equality led her to being appointed as Conservative Party's spokesperson for women and equalities, and later as the government's Minister for Education. It was through her dedication, resilience, and exceptional leadership that she was bestowed with the honor of being made a Baroness, recognizing not only her contribution to the public sphere but also the positive change she had sparked in countless lives. Baroness Verma continues to do dedicatedly her work towards fighting for justice and is one of the most respected figures both in the UK and in India. Each time I see Kalki Koechlin perform, or even when I meet her, I fall in love with her a little more. What an amazing journey of artistry, resilience, and breaking norms. Born to French parents in India, Kalki grew up in a culturally rich environment. After studying drama in Goldsmiths University of London, she returned to India to pursue her passion for acting. Doing films like Devdi, where her portrayal of a modern-day Chandramukhi earned her accolades and set her apart as an actor, unafraid to challenge conventions. Kalki's career is marked by a fearless choice of roles, often addressing complex, socially relevant themes such as mental health, gender equality, and abuse. Beyond films, she's a prolific theatre artist, writer, and poet, using her voice to amplify issues often overlooked by mainstream narratives. Her openness about her personal struggles and advocacy for mental health have made her a relatable and inspiring figure. A recent play portraying the trials and tribulations of a young mother with a newborn baby was indeed thought-provoking. More power to you, Kalki. Meeting Yashika, Hatwal, Tyagi and listening to her life's journey at a Fiki Flow gathering left me in total awe of her. A war veteran who bravely fought in the Kargil War, displaying remarkable courage and resilience. She was the first female army officer to be posted in the high-altitude area of Leh in 1997 while serving in the logistics wing. Despite facing unimaginable challenges, she emerged stronger, a true symbol of grit and determination. Receiving the Kargil Honours of 2024 recently, Yashika is a renowned motivational speaker today, inspiring hundreds of thousands with her powerful talks and uplifting messages. Her journey from the battlefield to the podium is a testament to the human spirit's indomitable nature. Through her words and actions, she continues to touch the lives of millions, reminding them that no obstacle is insurmountable with courage and perseverance. Yashika's work resonates with themes of strength, adaptability, and breaking stereotypes. She has become a voice for women who juggle multiple roles and still dare to dream beyond societal expectations. Meeting Ghazal Alagh of Mama Earth at a conference titled Women Mean Business was an amazing experience. Oh my goodness, how Ghazal has transformed a small business into a mammoth affair, Mama Earth. It all started with her newborn son having bad reactions to regular skincare products. She searched for toxin-free options but found nothing. Instead of giving up, she rolled up her sleeves and got to work. She started researching natural ingredients and creating skincare products in her own kitchen. What started as mother's love turned into Mama Earth, India's first made-safe certified brand. And guess what? Mama Earth has become a household name today. But Ghazal's story isn't just about skincare. It's about turning personal struggles into opportunities. She's inspired women everywhere to break out of traditional roles, take risks, and lead with confidence. She's not just creating products. She is truly creating change. When I was to meet Ritu, Hinduja, Chhabria in London this November, I was full of apprehensions, wondering how it would be to meet a member of the family of the Hindujas, the wealthiest family in UK. Meeting Ritu was like getting a beautiful surprise gift. Just the opposite of what I was expecting. Money and fame hasn't touched Ritu. In fact, she's one of the warmest and most down-to-earth people I have met in my life. Ritu is a philanthropist, advocate for change, and co-founder and managing trustee of the Mukul Mother Foundation. Her journey began with a deep desire to bring about meaningful change for underprivileged communities, motivated by a strong sense of compassion and a vision for a better world. Inspired by the struggles faced by many, Ritu knew that providing not just resources, but opportunities and hope was the key to true transformation. Through the foundation, Ritu has impacted countless lives, focusing on areas like education, healthcare, and empowerment. Her approach is not merely about charity, but about creating sustainable change and building a sense of dignity and self-worth in the people she serves. What sets Ritu apart is her collaborative spirit. She works alongside other changemakers, ensuring that her initiatives create lasting, widespread impact. Ritu's story is a powerful reminder that true change comes from within. A heart full of purpose and the courage to take action can indeed transform the world. Meeting Durgabai Vyam at a recent Gond workshop that I conducted in Bhopal for Fiki Flow was very heartening. Born into a family steeped in tradition of Gond art, Durga faced challenges that many would find daunting. Raised in a small village, she initially struggled to balance her aspirations with societal expectations. Yet, her deep connection to her roots and the rich cultural legacy of her people propelled her to pursue a career in art despite limited resources and support. Durga's art, which beautifully weaves intricate patterns and vibrant storytelling, began as a humble endeavor to preserve the traditions of her ancestors. Durga's commitment to Gond art transformed her into a celebrated artist, recognizing her work nationally and internationally. Her work, which often highlights the beauty of nature, wildlife and folklore, has brought the ancient art form into the global spotlight. Her story is not just about artistic achievement, but about reclaiming and redefining cultural identity. In recognition of her invaluable contributions to Indian art, she was awarded the prestigious Padma Shri, solidifying her place as a national treasure. Durgabai Vyam is a living reminder that every brushstroke of determination creates a masterpiece of legacy. Sonam Kalra's music is simply mesmerizing. It is inspired by the belief that music transcends boundaries, both cultural and religious. Influenced by legends like Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan and drawn to the spiritual essence of Sufi poetry, Sonam's work is centered around themes of love, peace, and unity. She aims to use music as a universal language that speaks to the soul, bridging divides and fostering shared human experiences. Sonam's exceptional talent has earned her significant recognition. She has won several awards like Radio City Freedom Award, Best Indie Artist Award and the Best Fusion Artist Award at the GIMA Awards. Sonam Kalra continues to inspire audiences with her soulful music and dedication to bringing spiritual and musical harmony to the forefront. What sets Sonam apart is her exceptional talent of blending Sufi and gospel music to create her own unique style. This fusion has led to the creation of the Sufi Gospel Project, which has garnered her recognition in the industry. Keep creating magic, Sonam. You're a gift to the music industry. It was wonderful to meet Romina, Mirela, Gingasu. At just 31, she's such a charming woman and has achieved incredible success that few can imagine. Growing up in difficult circumstances after the loss of her father, she chose a path in the military studies, becoming the only woman in her class at the Military Technical Academy in Bucharest. With determination, she worked in aviation logistics and later made a bold move into private aviation. Life took a new turn when fate brought her together with Piero Ferrari, manufacturer of the Italian luxury Ferrari sports car. Despite her new status, Romina remained committed to empowering women. Inspired by global leaders and experiences at the World Economic Forum in Davos, she founded the Red Women Foundation, dedicated to promoting education and women's empowerment in Romania. Through this platform, Romina and her team are tackling critical issues like domestic violence. Romina's journey is a testament to resilience, passion, and the unwavering belief that empowering women can reshape society. Through her foundation, she not only helps those in need but also creates a movement that's changing lives and breaking barriers. Laila Tyabji, an inspiration to many. As a young woman, Laila's path was anything but conventional. Coming from a family of intellectuals and artists, she was exposed to creativity and progressive thinking from an early age. However, it was not the world of fine arts which she studied that ultimately captured her heart. It was the world of craft and the preservation of India's rich heritage. In the early stages of her career, Laila recognized a critical gap in the value and appreciation of India's traditional craft sector. Determined to make a difference, she founded the NGO Dastakar, a platform dedicated to reviving and sustaining Indian handicrafts while providing artisans with a better livelihood. It was through this initiative that Laila's life took a transformative turn. She was no longer just an artist. She became a crusader for the rights of artisans, striving to bring their work to the forefront of global consciousness. Laila Tyabji's success is rooted not just in her entrepreneurial acumen, but in her fierce belief in the power of craft to uplift communities and bridge cultural divides. Her work has helped elevate the voices of countless artisans, especially women, allowing them to reclaim their cultural identity and gain economic independence. Rashi Narang's journey from a corporate professional to the founder of Heads Up for Tales is a story of love, determination, and following her passion. Working at Citibank, Rashi thrived in the fast-paced corporate world. But it was for her Labrador, Sarah, who revealed her true calling, creating a better world for pets. Struggling to find quality pet products in India, Rashi began designing stylish yet functional accessories from her home. What started as a heartfelt effort for Sarah soon grew into a vision for all pets. With no formal background in retail or design, she dived into learning everything from scratch, blending her corporate skills with her entrepreneurial dream. Today, Heads Up for Tales is India's leading pet care brand, redefining how pets are loved and cared for. Rashi's journey is proof that when driven by love and purpose, you can turn challenges into opportunities. She inspires women to trust their instincts and turn their passion into impactful realities. As we step into 2025, let's carry forward the strength, resilience, and inspiration from these extraordinary women. Their journeys remind us that empowerment isn't just about breaking barriers. It's about building bridges and uplifting one another to create a more equitable and thriving world. This new year is a fresh canvas, and together we have the power to make it a masterpiece of growth, courage, and impact. Thank you for being part of this celebration of women and their incredible stories. Let's make 2025 a year of even greater possibilities.